Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your PHP globally so that you can access PHP from anywhere in your PC. Now we have two different ways to download PHP. One is PHP zip file, another one is with XAMPP. Okay, so you have to make sure that which PHP you are going to use. Let's say you want to create PHP project and all these stuff. You can go with XAMPP because this is the easiest way. And if you want to go with PHP zip file, what you have to say here, you have to say PHP download. If you say PHP download, PHP download, okay, here you can see, okay, you can say here, you can see download section. From here you can go with PHP 8.5, source code. Here you can see we will go with thread safe one. Okay, this zip, you can see thread safe zip. So we're going to click here download, and then it will start downloading and we can use this. Okay, another way is we can go with XAMPP. So let me show you how you can actually install XAMPP at first. So I will say here XAMPP, and here you can see apachefriends.org. You can click here download, then you can select download section, then you can go with the latest version. Okay, if you're from Windows, and if you're from other OS, you can select other OS but go with the latest version. That's it. But here you can see, here we have 8.2, but if you go with PHP zip, okay, there will be 8.5. So with 8.2 you can actually create all the project now in this in 2026 also. Okay, so go with the XAMPP. Now to set PHP globally, what you have to do, you have to actually go to the installation drive where you have installed your PHP. In this case, I have installed it in C drive. Here you can see XAMPP. So go inside the XAMPP folder. There will be a folder called PHP. Here you can see. So go inside the PHP. Okay, and here you will find a file called php.exe. Make sure you have this file. Here you can see PHP. Now you can see that we haven't here extension. So to check the extension, you have to select here view, then show, then file name extension. Now we have here php.exe. It means we have PHP run file here in this folder, specific folder. So we are going to click here in this address bar. Here you can see C drive, XAMPP folder, then PHP. We are going to copy this. So we have copied the address bar. Now we are going to go for the command prompt. Okay, cmd. We are going to open it, and let me show you we have PHP or not. Here you can see, if I say here php-v, there is no PHP setup globally, right? Here you can see PHP is not recognized as an internal or external command. But if I run PHP from here, you can see if I open terminal here, or maybe command prompt, let's say, if I say here cmd, if I open command prompt in a specific PHP folder, if I say here php-v, then I will get PHP version. Here you can see, right? But I cannot actually get it globally. So to set it globally, what you have to do, you have to actually go for the environment variable. If you click here this Windows button, and then if you type env, then you will get edit the system environment variable. Click here. Now go for the environment variable section, then select path under system variable. You can see we have specific user, and we have this all user, system variable. So here we are going to select path. Okay, and go for the edit, click here new path, and paste what you have actually copied from the URL here, from here. Okay, now you have set PHP as globally. Now you have to press OK to confirm it. OK, and then OK. Now if I open cmd from anywhere, let's say here from the root directory, and if I say here php-v, now I'll get the PHP version. You can see. So I have set PHP globally. That's it, guys. Now let's say you have downloaded PHP zip file. So go to that specific drive or file where you have actually keep your file. Go to that specific drive. Let's say C drive. So inside C drive, let's say here you have PHP folder. Okay, let's say PHP folder here. Now you have to go PHP folder, and you will find php.exe. Okay, that file. So you just have to copy this, and then same process, just go for the environment variable. Type env, then you will find edit system environment variable. Click here, edit environment variables, select path under system variable, click here edit, click here new, and then paste the file. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand, guys. Alright guys, now I have shown you, right? So that is the way you can actually set PHP globally in your PC. And if this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.